Hi, I'm Chad with Wisconsin Lighting Lab, and today we're going to talk about the Will EV NTX. The NTX is a unique platform that we've designed specifically to save contractors time in the field. This product is a pre-wired pole fixture combo on our aluminum light poles with our SLX fixture. This product is very lightweight, easy to install in the field. This entire 12-foot assembly that we're looking at weighs less than 80 pounds. And the contractor can easily install this. The NTX is available in a variety of heights, up to 20 feet. It features a hinged fixture that hinges into position, 2 screws, easy install. It also features motion photo sensing, accessory options for mounting access points, Cat 5 down the pole. We can also mount cell antennas, punch outs for cell antennas. And this particular configuration has the ability to have an adapter to mount a Starlink antenna. The NTX features our SLX fixture. Our SLX fixture is our go-to area light fixture. This fixture is configurable in a variety of options, from optics, wattage, color temperatures, distributions, as well as accessories. This fixture is uniquely designed with ease of access to the driver, internal, very simple installation, easy to use, easy to operate and maintain on site. This product is fully manufactured in our Fond du Lac, Wisconsin facility. It's USA made, fully BABA compliant and NEVI compliant for sites that require that. The pre-wiring down the pole is done in the factory. We'll end up at the bottom of the pole where the contractor has easy access, does not need to go up the pole, and only needs to make the connection at the handhole on site. This product is really perfect for level 3 charging sites where those access points, that cell connection is needed, and the ease of install for rapid deployment is required. The NTX has been further optimized for rapid deployment via use of highly engineered packaging. This packaging not only houses the NTX itself, the light pole and the fixture, but also includes all of the accessories in a single box, including the base cover, top cap, mounting hardware, accessory points, mounting kits, and anchor bolt and templates. These packages will be coffin boxed, palletized, easily warehoused and stored at the customer's location for ease of distribution. Full pallet configurations are best optimized for LTL loads and/or full truck loads that can be received at the customer's warehouse. Not only can we optimize these at the pallet level, we also have the ability to drop ship a smaller quantity of units as needed.